Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you are doing very well. So, today we are going to discuss the topic atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Let's understand. When you look at the picture, what you observe that there are some women sitting together and they are having a conversation and they are surrounded by many other people's shops and etc so on. So in the same way, our mother earth is also surrounded by a layer of gases that is called atmosphere. So here comes the definition. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gases is called the atmosphere. Now, when you look at this picture, what you observe that winter season is going on and people are wearing jackets and woolen clothes to protect themselves from cold. So, in the same way, our earth is protected by a layer of gases. This thin blanket of air is an integral and important aspect of the planet. It provides us with the air we breathe and protect us from the harmful effect of sun rays and ultraviolet rays. Now you can see the mouth-watering Maggie pick. Okay, now how it is made? It is made from many different veggies, many different spices, and boiling water. So it contains these things, and after that, the Maggie is prepared. In the same way, our atmosphere is also composition of different gases which contains carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, argon and other minor gases. Like so, the atmosphere extends up to a height of about 1600 kilometers. The atmosphere is composed mainly of nitrogen and oxygen, which make up about 99% of clean and dry air, and nitrogen is approximately 78%, oxygen is 21%, and other gases like carbon dioxide, argon and other comprises 1% by volume. Now, so oxygen is the breath of our life. As we all know that oxygen is really required for us, otherwise we cannot live on this planet, while the nitrogen help in the growing of living organism. And the carbon dioxide, though present in minute amount, is important as it absorbs heat radiated by the earth, thereby keeping the planet warm. And it is also essential for the growth of our plants. Now, you can see the pic. There is a huge mountain here, and some climbers are going to track this mountain. Okay, and they are carrying different type of goods with them, and as you can see they are also having a cylinder with them. What is this? They are having a oxygen cylinder. Why they are having this? Because when the density of atmosphere varies with the height, it is maximum up the sea level and decreases rapidly as we go up. You know, the climbers experience problem in breathing due to the decrease in the density of the air. So they have to carry with them oxygen cylinder to be able to breathe at high altitude. Now there is a multi-story building and our lovely India map. Okay. Now what you observe from these pics that these buildings have different floors, is made from different floors, and our India is also made up from different states. It's a combination of different states and the building is combination of different floors. So in the same way, our atmosphere also a combination of different types of layer. The atmosphere is divided into mainly 5 layers based on composition, temperature and other properties. The name of the different layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. These are the 5 layers of the atmosphere and have a different type of properties, different type of composition, different type of temperature. So we will discuss about them in detail in our next lecture. Okay. Thank you.